First, make sure the car is turned on. Then we'll click on settings. Press on phone. Now press Bluetooth device list. Then add Bluetooth device. It tells you make sure Bluetooth is turned on and set to discoverable on your mobile phone. In my case, you see I have an iPhone and the Bluetooth is turned on. We'll come back to the car screen and press continue. The car will perform a search, and in the meantime, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on your phone. In my case, I noticed it took over 10 seconds time to search. There it is, right there you will see the iPhone option. We'll press on that. After selecting your phone, you will see a code popping out right there. The similar code should be appearing on your phone screen right there as well. We will press pair on the phone screen. Phone will ask allow contacts and favorite syncs. In my case, I will allow that. And that is how the Bluetooth is connected to your car. In my case, I will not turn on the Honda Link Assist and will just press exit. That is how you connect your phone to your vehicle. Now suppose you want to delete the phone that you just connected to your car. We'll just come back to home. Press settings. Then select phone. Press Bluetooth device list. On top you will see your phone connected. We'll press on that iPhone. And this time we want to delete this device, so we'll just press on that. The car will ask if you want to delete this device and we'll press yes. And there's that iPhone deleted in my case. In your case, you might have a different phone with a different name, but the process will be same in order to add or delete a Bluetooth device. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.